done is we've aligned our bit with the center of the jig. We've put a core in it, and we're drilling through. And what we'll do is we'll drill through the jig as we're drilling through the core. So our feed rate on this is really, really slow. And we put a little extra line on this and purge it on the outside to help keep it cool when it's cutting the steel. And we'll cut it until the ends pop off. The ends will fall away on the core, and that will be the jig sufficiently drilled. And that just gives clearance to the bit. And every core that we cut after this will have that clearance already, cut, so you're no longer cutting the steel. But we can get away with cutting the steel one time using a bit and a core. That way we don't have to do any special machining on this.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this. And down below in the description, you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that. And leave comments. If there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot, we're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.